So this is a fun project. We call it a particle collision triggering. So this is collaborated with the high energy physics at national labs. In the physics experiment, they need to capture the event that two particles collide with each other. After the particle collision, many interesting events will happen. So the physicists capture those data, and they have to analyze the data offline and observe whether there are any interesting events happened during the experiment. So give you an idea, it's about 0.1% of chance the two particles collide and they capture this event. So without any knowledge whether the collision will happen at this particular moment or next, you can imagine they capture a lot of image on the tape, and the data amount is giant. So no storage device can store all the data. They have to randomly discard a lot and only keep maybe no more than 10%. So by saying that, they miss a lot of interesting event. And so we chimed in. We try to give them a real-time AI-driven data acquisition system. So based on the real-time capture data, we do our online analysis. We run our machine learning algorithms. We have a prediction, let's say maybe 90% the collision is happening. So don't discard what you have captured in the last 5 seconds. Keep them. And if our trigger signal didn't send them a positive event, so they capture the data, and after a period of time, they just throw away the data and streaming in the next experimental data. So this is the brief introduction. As you can see, putting this in place can significantly increase the chance that physics capture the useful data, then they can produce more meaningful results offline. So we have got good results and very good progress in simulation data, and we are waiting for the real experimental data coming in. So I listed the skills needed in order to do this project. Data analytics, graph neural network, which is one of the neural networks. Who has heard this? GNN. Wow. Okay. Thank you. All right. So those are the skills we need for this project. And also, since nuclear physics is always a big collaboration team, going through different national labs, even the worldwide, like SPIR in Europe. So there are I wrote software skills. I meant soft skills, including communication skills, verbal and written, and interpersonal skills to work together with the big team. The next one we say is the laser feedback control. So in the beam line, where the material scientists, the physicists, the chemists do experiment, it's very important they keep the beam stable. But there is always environmental noise which prevent the beam being stable, or the maybe today it's stable, but the environmental noise gets accumulated. So after a period of time, it trips away. So we try to help them to develop a robotics control system that can always pull the beam back when it drifts away, so the scientists can get a stable beam. We have a research prototype in place, and we are seeking for interest in real applications. Yeah, we spoke to a few scientists in the field. They are interested, but everybody is busy. We just need to find the good timing to push this forward. So in this project, we need the skills we need is deep reinforcement learning and has some background knowledge of PID controller, which is the traditional feedback method.